Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, delicious pumpkin pie ice cream with a little bit of black walnut. Black walnut is optional, but follow along with me and I'll show you how I made this. Okay, you want 3 to 4 cups of pure pumpkin pie puree. Nothing added to it, just okay. And then you want some pumpkin spice with a little bit of salt, about 2 teaspoons and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I got 1 small can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you get all that out. Okay, we're going to mix this well together real good. God, this smells so incredible. I can't even begin to tell you how good this smells. Okay, next you want, on the next bowl, you want 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then you want to take a mixer and you just want to mix this together. Now we want to take this whipping cream and we want to put it into the pumpkin. I just want to kind of fold it in. I'm going to touch a plastic tub that has a lid on it. Okay, we're going to put all the ice cream into here. Put this into the freezer for till the next morning, and we're going to check it out. Okay, it's been sitting overnight, and yes, I did get a little bit last night. I couldn't help it. I had to test it out, but look at that. That is pumpkin pie ice cream. Delicious pumpkin pie ice cream. Now, it just wouldn't be complete without a little bit of sprinkled black walnut to go on top of it. And there we are. That is delicious pumpkin pie ice cream with a little bit of black walnut. Let's do us a taste test on this. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so creamy. So good. That black walnut does a lot for it. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. I have a video coming out mostly every day. Try to. Anyways, y'all have a blessed day.